We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here, and this is what we get. All right. Anyway, as what we expected, the price exactly tagged 2.2, and there was no breakout. And right now we get this one. And how about if you refer to the indicators? If we put this top in relative to the previous one of the indicators showing us a divergence. And how about the MACD? MACD, we could refer to the divergence. Doesn't mean we had the divergence for both of them, but what I'm looking for correction for continuation. And this divergence, since it is a 1 hour divergence, we're not looking for the reversal. Anyway, we move to daily chart. And since the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And what we expected, the price tag, the previous top 2.2, and we're looking to see the breakout of 2.2. Because with the breakout of 2.2, we can look for 2.5, and this is what we have been looking for. But one thing I need to highlight here, if the price couldn't break the previous top, for next drop, we should know about this. And at that time, so you can expect this one turn to a flat before we get the next. We are not looking for the down. We are not looking for the drop, but we have to see the breakout of the previous top. That's why the breakout of this correction, which is, sorry, this zone, which is 2.2 following by 2.5 is quite important for us. And if the price tag, at this point, we cannot refer to the indicators for the divergence because based on daily, the price couldn't break the previous top. But if the price continue with the breakout, mostly we will expect to see the divergence. All right. Anyway, at this point, we are not going to refer to the divergence since the price couldn't break the previous top. And even if we move to daily chart, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy or sell. Either we have to wait for the 4 hour correction or 1 hour correction before we take the next trade. And even based on 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup for buy. If this one turns to correction flag, this is where we can look for the next trade. But we should know that any trade for buy within this range, and as long as the price haven't break 2.2, is already risky, and we should know we should consider as a short-term trade, and we should know where is our stop loss, and the stop loss should be at least somewhere below 1.9. All right. By the way, at this times we don't have any trade set up for buy, and for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they want to keep the trade, they have to book some profit or move their stop loss to break even. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. But buying or selling at this point is not a really good idea because we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. We have to wait. Unless traders, they trade based on lower time frame. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.